morning. My name is Uchenno. So the problem we're facing now is that Fulani is already back with full force in Ozwan. So that's just the major thing. As you can see, they are back to start terrorizing our people. So the major thing that people don't understand what some of our people in the village is passing through. They don't know. I just keep thinking about 2023 election, where some of our villages, they are gone. Mostly they are gone. If you move to Ihabu Funa, especially Mbuji, Agwo made, they have taken over that place. As far as they have taken over that place, if you come down to Uzwan rapidly, what they are doing in Uzwan now, the same thing they are doing at Mbuji, Agwo made. So if care is not taken, they will overtake Uzwan, because the security architecture is compromised. They are not doing anything to stop them. They have started damaging what our people do cultivate. We know how long and how many years we chase them out from Uzwan. I don't know the person that collected money from these guys again and send them back. But this should be our politicians that are tormenting our people. Seriously, they are tormenting our people. And some people don't know, you see, this is their track, and they keep coming on daily basis. And it's quite unfortunate that when we are working to save your people, some of the political hierarchs and some politicians, they are there to dampen your efforts and activities. It's very bad. See, this is a track. If you cultivate it now, how are you going to make it? This is a track, and this place now don't have any elements of Fulani again since we pursue them out. But our people will not understand this. If you ask them what are they doing here, they will say, if you call us again, we are going to shoot you. ESL is facing a lot of battles, both in and out, and our security architecture is already compromised. I don't know. This is a track. Do you see any grass here? This is the activities of Fulani terrorists, the activities of Fulani herdsmen. And it's like they passed here yesterday night. Shall we see? This is what our people is facing through. It's quite unfortunate. And you see this place? This is the track. They keep moving from this place and they will go down. They will keep terrorizing. If a few kilometers, they will start killing our people. And they have shot one Igbo man like a few months ago. And that is it. If you try to tell people the dangers ahead, apart from 2023, our people will not understand. These people, they are back to kill us. They are back, and some people don't understand what our people is facing through. You'll be there, you'll be shouting, You don't in your village, your land is already be taken by Fulani terrorists, by Fulani herdsmen. Your land is already be taken. But if you try to tell our people the dangers ahead, they will say maybe you are not supporting Obi, you are not doing this. It's not about supporting Obi or thereabout. Our problem is that we fail to understand the reality of ground. Have you seen? This is the track, this is the movement. They keep destroying the activities of what is. If you farm here, if you close, they will destroy everybody. These people are very wicked and heartless. They are very wicked. You see, this is someone farm. They have already started cutting it small. Like in 2 weeks or 3 weeks time, before you come back here, that they will quarter finish the whole cassava that is here. They will quarter finish the whole cassava, but our people will not see this, sir. Are we going to keep suffering like this? How long are we going to keep suffering like this? If we try to educate our people about the dangers, see their track. Try to educate our people about the dangers ahead. See their track. The dangers ahead before 2023 election. The speed, how they operate, and how they are terrorizing our people. We thought that this thing is a joke. Most of those shouting about this, they are living in Abuja, living in Lagos. They keep shouting. They will not go at home to understand what their people is facing through. And the politicians are not helping matters. They have banned open grazing in Enugu. But what is happening? It's not the same open grazing they ban, and these people they come back to come and terrorize our people. It's the same thing they ban, they come back to terrorize our people. If you keep educating our people, they say that maybe you hate Nigeria or what, or you hate this is not about hating soul. It's about telling you the reality of ground. If you try to tell us you are talking about settlement, about 2020, what settlement are you fucking talking about? It's about the lives of your people. It's about the lives of people in Enugu. Our people is going down. Our land is being taken over by Fulani, and it's Fulani terrorists, and it's very bad. It's very bad. This is what people are facing every day. If you are not in the village, if you didn't grow up in the village, shut up where someone that grew up in the village tell you what is happening, what the dangers that our people is facing every day. Some of them, they don't sleep normal, they don't sleep well again because of the fear of an attack. And the worst that can happen to any person is to have fear of an attack. Maybe in the night they will come and attack you, but they have cycles already. No problem. This is Mazuchi. Thanks for understanding.